Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to allow or deny physical activity permission in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot more icon and click on permission manager. Now here scroll down and click on physical activity. Now in physical activity, it will show you the list of apps that can use the physical activity permissions. So if you want to allow an app to use the physical activity, then go to the not allowed section and tap on the app. And from here click on allow. Now this app is allowed to use the physical activity. And now in allowed section, if you want to deny a app to use the physical activity permission, then tap on the app and click on don't allow. Now this app is denied to use the physical activity and move to the not allowed section. So that's how you can allow or deny physical activity permission in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.